dreams so light and free. What's waiting for us we shall see. Catching breezes, riding on the wind, leaving the ground, let's not descend. Tiny waves on a mighty flight, to a world painted in the night. Paper plane, let's chase the stars, far beyond where wishes are. In the sky so wide and blue, we'll explore, just me and you. From the rooftops soaring through the sky, no direction, no reasons why. Tiny vessel of hope and dreams. In this world, nothing's as it seems. Through the clouds we'll carve a path, unafraid of lightning's wrath. In the silence of the night, our paper plane takes flight. Paper plane flying high in the air, take me anywhere without a care. For the dreams so light and free, what's waiting for us we shall see. Catching breezes, riding on the wind,